Yo, what a blessing Sunday. Imandini Lockdown House Party, guys. We are super blessed by umzukulu kaMagoda bafethu inkondlo zakhe fethu powerful and touching, guys, like ukukhuluma kwabantu ukuhlukumeza kwabantu besifazane and also teaching us as umuntu wesifazane ukuthi fanele ayiphathe kanjani, nathi as amajita sibone ukuthi kuse umuntu wesifazane fanele ayiphathe kanjani. But now, guys, I'm chilling with Lumakaaplan Mandeni Lockdown House Party. Lumakaaplan, we're going to be talking about his brand, the music in general, and discovering zonke izinto ezisenzakalayo in South Africa, la eMandeni and globally. Lumakaaplan butwami njani?
Ngiyavela brother njani?
Too much dog if it's so. Welcome to Mandeni Lockdown House Party. It's not the first time if it's being in the house. Yo, the boys in the building, Vince. How do you feel? How do you feel, my brother?
It's great, Vince. How are you, bro?
I've been wonderful, Vince. So just before I came into the show, but things Sontweni came through with so much blessings, Vince. Yeah, well, nothing but blessings, Vince. Lumakaaplan, if it's so the last time we spoke, if it's so we'll push a brand in nothing, if it's so and ibisa on its start. Yabona manje ukuthi you came back with fire, sithini kwi nothing, if it's what bekwenzakalani kwi nothing, if it's
no, bro. Again, you see, we had struggling with facilities and equipment.
Sure.
So like hiring and paying for all that. Producing, but right now I have my own place. Still a start, but I'm starting and I'm producing on my own.
Oh yeah,
everything. So let's things we now. So in that thing, I think we're about to take more levels.
Away.
Yeah.
So dog, since you've been pushing in that thing, we haven't heard much of music from Lumakaaplan, but circling, so I don't know if we pay any attention, dog. Like especially like Mandin, the artists who have came through, like music is booming, guys are in the studio cooking up with it. So by a pusher, like so now we have Imal's fam last week on the Mandeni Lockdown House Party. Set the stage on fire, bro. So music in general, dog, what has been happening to the musical world, Lumakaaplan?
Well, again, it's dealing with the brand.
Sure.
In that thing.
Yeah.
Nah, yakala as by pushing Lumakaaplan.
Sure.
So, ngatin. It's still part of Lumakaaplan. It's a pushy brand, ne?
Yeah.
Pushy brand, but it's still part of Lumakaaplan. And then when it comes to songs, recording studio.
Yeah.
KZN.
Sure.
I haven't recorded much, but it's called let's say like 4 singles.
Yeah. Okay.
And then I have a new single, I'm a Flop, featuring Tizo Speaker Tor.
Oh yeah. Sure.
And then the rest of the songs I've been working on are on hold, but I do have something for my people.
You do have something.
I do have something for my people.
Have something for Lumakaaplan, if it's so. Yabona, dog, around the world, if it's so, kukhulunywa blackness, if it's so, pusha black vibe, if it's so, black entrepreneuring, black businesses, if it's so. Black music and also start investing in ourselves as black people. Our culture,
bro.
Our culture, man. Remembering ukuthi singoba nifethu and we've been deviating from a lot from Leo Kofethu, like iqiniso sibaleka siya nje kasona fethu, like I brand Lumakaaplan as in being in that thing, a black brand fethu. What are your visions now, fethu?
Well, my vision, it's free, so let me just talk about my wish.
Sure.
To see everyone supporting the local brand, should I say?
Sure.
And then the vision, that's the vision I have.
Yeah.
It's part of my wish, it's also my vision.
Yeah.
And to collaborate with other brands like Nike, Vans, you know?
Sure.
And then other local brands, food.
Sure.
Asevukile, like Zat, Camel, Trap House.
Oh, yeah.
Yabo, Lord.
Sure.
So I want to see us all going up there.
Yeah,
Yabo,
because truth be told, I've been seeing on Gama Lokosan on social on like any social media platforms like Konama I'm a brand like South African black brands.
Yes, like
Avugayo fethu,
really dope brands. Yes.
dope. Like namely, I would talk about Idrip and Kotini, yabo fethu, sure fethu
Cotton
kuyapusha.
Family.
Cotton Family fethu kuyapusha. Mbukele ekhaya fethu, this is a black man's dream, a black child's dream fethu, and fanele siqale siyibone nathi ukuthi kuse black is beautiful, black is blessed fethu, there's nothing beyond black, there's nothing but black.
Black.
Sure. So Makaplan is single layer fethu, when can we expect it on your musical side fethu?
Well, I don't have a date for now, but Mr. Mercedes is working on it, which is my manager in Pretoria, lying releaser Undercon, which is
Sure.
Dot Records. They're still working on it, but saying Linde. Okay, I think Jella my fans, please Delan Linde. Yeah?
Sure.
Yes, it's a new single, I'm a Flop, featuring Diesel Speaker Dog, produced by First Lane, and of course a touch of Mr. Mercedes. Dot Records. Yes, it's really exciting. Yes.
So fethu njengoba uyibabe nje ubambe phansi ibrand no music, ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuba khona like introduce kwe lockdown nayo on its own, it's influence kube ne impact kuwena in terms of releasing your music and for the brand in nothing itself. So like nje but I would like to know when ikuphathe kanjani I lockdown, and what message would you give out at home ukuthi siqhubekeni phela fethu sihlalene emakhaya siphathene kahle wafethu ukuze sibambe le second wave ethi ingasihlaseli ngalendlela le eqhamuka ngayo.
Yes. I lockdown ibe ne impact enkulu, especially kuma release of music.
Sure.
Maningi amasingle engiwahlehlisile until sizifike nale.
Sure.
And the lockdown futhi also ngiyayibonga. You know?
Okay.
I did a lot of thinking during lockdown, a lot of thinking.
Sure.
Ngiyaba-advise abantu ukuthi besahleli emakhaya be safe. Ngisho behleli. Ne.
Yeah.
They must think of something that they're good at, whether it's handwork, anything.
Sure.
And we should normalize selling. That is how you can sell anything, sweets and anything.
Sure.
So I lockdown ngiyayibonga mfethu. Because you wouldn't get time to sell, you wouldn't get time to think, you wouldn't get time to do what you love. Kuba sisemsebenzini or what yabo, other places, designated places.
Sure.
So ngiyayibonga lockdown, and not advising ukuthi abantu abangabi safe bengafaka ama mask bephume beyobhanta. So nah, please stay safe. Beyafaka nama mask, but normalize selling, normalize doing something that will bring something ekhaya. Sure. Yeah. Lockdown ngesenze kanjalo.
I appreciate ukuthi ubone a positive side of the lockdown in general, ngama opportunities afikile, because there's a lot of businesses aqhamuke nge lockdown avelile and they're thriving, they're doing very well, bro.
Yeah.
But now there's this lo sathane lona mfethu ungaxosheki bro, lo okufethu okuhlukameza abantu abesifazane, okuhlukameza kweingane fethu, leyo nto le as an artist and as an entrepreneur uyimember yala nawe emandeni your community, like what message fethu do we like give out to ukuthi si slow it down ile spread lena, or sinqando fethu lo sathane nje sithi phansi ngaye?
My message to the people is that we should go back to our roots, our culture.
Sure.
How it started, how our forefathers were growing up back in the day.
Yeah.
Because you know why? The culture teaches you everything.
Sure.
Respect, love. Yonke into, ne?
Yeah.
Along that, we are funded nokuphatha umuntu.
Sure.
So if we go back to our roots, because intsha yamanje, like youth especially,
sure,
we have no idea of culture.
Yeah.
We live Western, we live what we see on TV, that's how we live.
Excellent.
and what we see on TV is murder, drugs, and so everything. Yabona.
Yeah.
So that's how we end up abusing women, people, even murder. It's not even women only.
Yeah.
Yabona. So yeah,
Sure.
let's go back to our roots. So funda yonke into. Ukuthi uphila kanjani emhlabeni.
Except mfethu nani nizwele on Monday ni lockdown house party to go back home to go back, like find your way back. Uyisithole wena ukuthi ubani. This is end of our point with Lumakaaplan, but akagcini lapho sazosibulala mfethu ngomusic, usazosiperformela mfethu kube mnandi kube grand. Butwami, please take the stage mfethu usikhombise ukuthi uzeleleni lana bro. But ukhumbule mbukele ekhaya, we are nothing but blessed, black and stay at home. We are nothing but Imandeni lockdown house party. You're still rolling with the Sicelo Zungu. Stay blessed, stay black. Love you guys.